Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a professional dancer working on board a cruise ship. Right now I am on board the Celebrity Apex and we're currently sailing around the Caribbean. Today is a sea day, so we are sailing towards the Bahamas and it's a super busy and super productive day, and I thought it would be fun to take you along with me and show you what I get up to around the ship and how I keep myself busy and all the things that I had to do. So first things first, after breakfast I headed to our gorgeous theatre on board the ship. So I am almost at the end of the install process. We've opened all of our shows, but we still have a few more elements that we need to add to a couple of things that weren't able to do before because our side points only just got fixed. So we have a 2-hour rehearsal this morning here in the theatre just to practice a couple of things before our install directors sadly leave us and move on to the next project. And then that's when, the contract officially starts, I guess. Being up this early on a sea day is kind of crazy for me. So I thought if I'm going to be up this early, I might as well make the most of it and have a very productive day. And so I wanted to take you along with me and show you what I get up to. Hello and welcome to my humble office. I have just a few admin things I need to do, like I need to sort out dance classes, who's going to be teaching them because they'll be starting next cruise. So I need to try and find the videos as well so that I can send those to the cast members so they can familiarise themselves with the routines ready for their teaching next cruise. I need to try and send a video of the show to our female aerialist who is coming because she is going to be slotted in to crystallise when she gets here, so we're going to try and send that to her so that she has some time to look over everything. Then I'm also just going to check my emails, just do a couple of admin bits before I carry on with my day while my bedding is in the dryer. Oh, and I got my second coffee because, like I said, I'm not normally awake as early as I was today, so I need all the help I can get. I am now back in my cabin, as you can see, and my thought is I want to do a quick blitz of my cabin now that I have fresh bedding, just to sort of like have a fresh start, you know. I try to do just like a little once over of my cabin once a cruise, just to keep it fresh and tidy and clean. So I think I'm going to do that right now. And I need to take my rubbish out because, my gosh, my bin is full to the max. So just going to have a little spritz, and I'm going to put on Jessie J's new album because if you've been here for a while, you will know I love Jessie J. And she came out with a new album and I'm really excited, but I've been so busy that I've not had time to actually listen to it properly. So I've only listened to a couple of songs. So I'm going to play Jessie J's album whilst I am cleaning my cabin. Every day I try to prioritize going outside a little bit just to sit and get some fresh air, see the sky. And I have just been sitting out on deck 6 reading my book, and it was really nice to just take like 45 minutes just myself, sit there. I didn't speak to anyone, I didn't see a single person that I know, and I wanted to do a bit of writing, but I opened my laptop and it was dead. Cool, love that pre-planning from me. So I am heading back to my cabin. I'm going to write for like 20 minutes maybe, and then I need to go to the gym. It felt really good to be back in the gym. Because of install, I've just been so busy and my body's been really tired, and I have not really been going to the gym. And I made my big return back to the gym yesterday, and then I went again today. So it feels really nice to be working my body and lifting some weights again. So that was really nice. But I was so hungry after that. So then I had to go to Ocean View immediately. I was like, if I don't eat soon, I'm going to be so upset. So I had to go to Ocean View, and it was Greek night, and I love Greek food, so that was amazing. And then my shower was stunning, and it was just, it was so good. It was so good. Oh, and I did do a little bit of writing when I came back to my cabin before heading to the gym. I mean, it wasn't very good writing, so I'm probably gonna like delete most of it, but I did do it. And now I'm gonna chill a little bit. My boyfriend is going to come over and we're going to watch some Netflix, and then we have a little party to go to celebrate our end of install. So every time we officially finish install, we have an end of install party, which is held just for the cast and the technicians, and they hold it in the theatre, and there's some free food and drinks and stuff. So yeah, gonna head there and spend some time and celebrate with my friends. So that's really exciting, but I'm just going to chill for a little bit before then, because it's not until 10:30 and it is currently 8:40, so it's like 2 hours until I need to go there. My gosh, it's only 8:40. I feel like I've been awake for 100 years. I feel like I've done so many things today. This is why people like waking up early, because you really do have so much time to do stuff. Crazy.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to